Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make keto mozzarella cheese sticks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer Bands and I'm going to show you how to make some mozzarella cheese sticks. They're so delicious. They're made with almond flour. They're keto and my kids love them. So we're going to make these with almond flour. And first I've got it in this bowl right here and I'm going to add in some Italian seasoning and a teaspoon of salt. So we're gonna mix that up. I've also got 2 beaten eggs here and we've got our mozzarella sticks. This is just regular mozzarella sticks that you find at the grocery store, and we cut them in half lengthwise, or actually widthwise. Anyway, we cut them in half. So for our almond flour breading, we are going to do egg, almond flour, egg, almond flour. And then we're going to freeze them. And that is just going to help the cheese sticks from exploding out of the breading whenever they're being fried. Okay, so we're gonna start with our little mozzarella, pizza mozzarella, put it in the egg. We're gonna go into almond flour. I'm gonna coat it with some almond flour. I'm going to do all of that. I'm going to do that with all of the cheese sticks. And then we're going to do it again. Just so we have a nice thick coating. And you want to make sure on the second coating that all of the cheese is covered. Because if it's not, the cheese is just going to come right out whenever you fry these. And if you can see, I'm using this hand for my egg and this hand for my almond flour, and I'm just like scooping it up, like just throwing the almond flour on top of it. That way I don't get, gunky almond flour fingers. Okay, now we're gonna do our second coating. I want to pick them up gently so that the coating doesn't come off. Okay, these are all breaded and now they need to go in the freezer for about 2 hours. Okay, we've got our mozzarella sticks out of the freezer and I've got a heavy bottom pot here over medium heat with 1 inch of oil. And you can use whatever oil that you like to use for frying, canola oil, avocado oil, if you can, if you want to use that much avocado oil, that's a lot. So we can start frying. Our oil is at 375 degrees, which is perfect. So perfect. We're gonna do 6 of these at a time. And halfway through, we need to flip them over. And you wanna just keep kind of moving them around so they don't stick to the bottom. And I've got a plate here with paper towels so we can drain them off when they're ready. They're already starting to get golden brown. And once they're golden brown, you can pull them out of the fryer, because otherwise if you cook them for too long, the cheese is gonna start to ooze out. These are already looking delicious. Look at that. These don't take long at all. My goodness, they're looking so good. Ouch. Now I have tried this recipe in the air fryer and we tried it several times and it did not work. I don't know how people get it to work in the air fryer. They are not crispy. The almond flour is just, bleh, it's just yuck. And all the cheese just oozes right out. So these are ready to come out and they look amazing. That one stuck a little. And we can fry the rest. And that is so, look at how easy that is. And you've got keto mozzarella sticks for a party or for a dinner, for a snack, however you want to serve them. Let's make sure I move them around so they don't stick. And our last batch is done. And look at our mozzarella sticks. They look amazing. We've got some marinara sauce to dip them into. Let me cut into one. Let me show you how beautiful they look. Stretchy cheese, just like that. Yum, yum, yum. Make sure you try this recipe. Check out the other recipes I have linked here, or the other videos I have linked here, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.